everybody. Hope you're well. Look, this is a good day for me as far as Bitcoin goes, and it's a good, which means it's a good day for you as well. Hopefully you're holding some. Look, I want to talk you through what I've been talking to for quite some time now, and just deliver to you a bit more of a bullish case for Bitcoin right now. I'm going to start here with a weekly because that's what's been a very, very important level for me. For me here, the weekly, check it out. You've heard me talk about this a lot, okay? If you're on my Facebook group, and look, if you're not on my Facebook group, the Trader Cobb community, get over there because it's free. That's all you got to find. Jump in, you can see what's going on. It's not the one that I put all the trades and whatnot in it. It's just a free one for people to jump in and have a look at, and I suggest you do. What I did a couple of weeks back was I talked about my entries for buying Bitcoin back. I bought more at 10,550, up around here somewhere. Where are we? Here. Then I bought more at 10,150, down here somewhere. Then I bought more at 10,050, and I got filled on all of them. So all are now in profit. Fingers crossed it keeps on going. The reason I did that was because it's right back in that cradle zone. It broke that support. It was a very, very nice pullback on display. Now I've done this once before back in September of 2017, and worked really well for me. The level was 3,000, not 10, and did the same thing. And what I've seen now is a little bullish candle. We've broken the high. So for me, this could be a trade in its own right because we have, well, what fits some of the rules. Now, where to from here is really important. Well, when I look at a weekly trend, a pullback represents, I'm hoping, for a higher low. Because it's pulled back into that cradle, because it's pulled back into a round number, because it's now set a bullish candle and it's broken the high, there's quite a bit of positive stuff going on here for Bitcoin as far as the chart's concerned. So next, where do we go to? Well, I'm hopeful to see that we continue to move higher and break these highs, because if we do capture that higher low, then we do want to see it push to higher highs. And I think Bitcoin could really get some momentum going into the back end of the year. I really do. I think it looks very, very good. Don't forget how hard and fast Bitcoin moves. It took us a couple of months back in 17, or a few weeks really. A couple of months from September. Well, we were there. September. There's a pullback there that I got to December. That's not very long to go from back then 3,000 to 20,000. So I'm not suggesting that's going to happen. I'm just showing you the speed at which Bitcoin can move. Something else that I wanted to point out is this is the BitMEX chart. I don't trade on BitMEX anymore. I generally use FTX because the orders are better. And for me, 10.5's got to be a level that's being considered as well. You can see, because on the BitMEX chart, a lot of people still do use BitMEX, and it's clearly resistance. So we're above there right now. I want to see it hold. Back to this chart here and back to the daily. We do have a higher low here, although not all that special. I'm really hopeful after seeing some good push through and follow through of buying yesterday that we see the same today. If we can see that same break of yesterday's high and another really strong bullish candle, I think what it may just do is it might just clear out the cobwebs of some of the people out there that might still be sitting on the sideline going, I don't know, and give you a clear path towards back to being, pretty positive about Bitcoin. And then if we continue to climb from there, well, the FOMO starts to approach and we start to get some much, much bigger days. Just to give you some perspective here, don't forget it took quite some time before we last moved. A lot of weeks consolidated before we got that bullish candle we spoke of and we broke high. Now, from that bullish candle, here's what we did. We moved a total of 30%. Now again, not to say that this is going to happen, but based on last time's cycle, I'm going to take it from the high of here and I'm going to add 30%. And that takes us up around those $14,000 plus highs. Wouldn't that be nice? I certainly hope we do see that in the next few days, weeks, I don't know, because it would be nice to see a very strong Bitcoin getting us more cyclicity back into our market. Guys, thank you very much for your time. I hope this has helped our bigger picture weekly perspective. I use the weeklies all the time. This is how I teach investors market structure and how to learn to trade. You don't necessarily need to be actively trading all the time to get benefit from what I teach. It's about market structure, understanding when to get in, when to get out. Because I'm an investor, I'm also a trader. The same principles overlay both of those options for me. Have a great day. Hit the like button and subscribe and share it with your mates if you don't mind. Thanks very much for your time. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.